Road trip
to Austin.
Oh, I forgot to do this. Road trip
to Austin.
Music break.
You can dance with me, so put your hands on my body and sing that girl. No, look when the music starts. I think it's just a wavy.
Spell yes.
Y-E-S.
Spell yes.
Y-E-S.
Now add an E in the front. And what does it say?
Yes.
Do it again. Add an E to the front. And then what is it?
E-yes.
No.
A-yes.
No.
A-S.
What is Y-E-S?
Yes.
And then add an E to the, what does it say?
East.
Now what does E-Y-E-S spell?
Yes. What is it?
Listen. What is E-Y-E-S? What does that spell?
E-Y-E-S. A-yes. Yes. What the?
Okay, now say E-Y-E-S.
E-Y-E-S.
Now spell eyes.
Huh?
Spell eyes.
E-Y-E-S. What? I just woke up. Camera, I just woke up. This is what I look like.
Look now.
It wasn't me who did it, back girl.
Yeah. New to the vlog. Hi, Serena.
I wanna go pee.
Mommy's not showing her.
We're here at a gas station. Potty break, chip break, soda break.
Baby's right there with Daddy.
It's currently 5:48. You can't see it. We've been going since 3. Faith woke up. She had a good nap. Serena did too.
You had a bad nap.
I had a bad nap because of Faith, the struggle. I was sleeping like this. While Faith she had a pillow going on. She was spread out, everything. We made it here to Blissful Hill. Here's the barn. Wow. Ooh. Are you okay, Shaylee? Hi, Shaylee. How cute is this? Pre-wedding. Look at this. This place is amazing. Oh my gosh. I love it. Going upstairs. Ooh, look at that. Love room. Ooh. Nice. Chips. This is the bridal room. What's in here? Oh, the changing area. Pretty. So cute. Oh. Hi. What's in here?
I'm so excited now.
I mean,
Tomorrow night would be so tired, you'd just be sleeping anyway.
Oh. Is this a groom's area? Shayla, you excited?
Yeah.
You ready?
I'll show you around. This is the room right here with my dad. He may be over here or over there. Your dad is going to sleep over there. My dad? Yeah.
Because your dad's a groom. Dang. It's like a bachelor pad up in here. Legit. Got a nice TV. 2 rooms. Oh, this place is amazing. This is where we're staying. Cuddle Cottage. Ooh. Nice room. have.
Come in and Snapchat this.
I got a kitchen.
We all going.
Oh my goodness, look at this bed.
Oh, and come
It's
here.
just for me.
This is the window.
That's the window.
And here's the closet.
Here's a closet. Oh, you can't even see it, but wow, so
Here's a
pretty.
mirror. There's a mirror right here. Here's the light.
You already know everything. Is there a Rushman here too? Oh.
Bye guys. See you tomorrow. End of day 1.
Day 2 in Austin. Good morning, Zing. So we are here. This is our cottage. A better view of the outside. We're at Cuddle Cottage. This is how our story begins. Okay, so let's just take a little walk because it's really nice out here. So look at that. That's like the lake or the river. And look at all of this. Here's another cottage right there. Look at this, so pretty. What's over there?
Oh, look. Hold on.
This is the barn. That's the venue. That's where they're getting married. But it's so pretty here. I'm coming. Welcome. Going inside the barn.
It smells weird.
It smells weird. What's a barn? At least there's no animals. So there's popcorn. Ooh, there's food.
It smells like animals.
This is the venue. Better from last night.
Let's show them upstairs if anything changed.
These are the tables. You know where I'm sitting? I'm sitting right here.
Diet Coke.
Almost time for the wedding. Everyone's setting up. Tiffany and Cynthia getting ready. Plates are out. Very nice. It's almost time. And the kids are running up there. It's coming all together.
Hi guys, we're almost ready to go to the wedding. And look how cute Serena is.
Look how cute I am.
Oh, she's
I'm right
ugly.
here.
Look,
Serena.
this girl's ugly. This girl's super cute. This girl's too ugly with the makeup. This girl's
Okay, so it's the girl that has makeup on too.
Okay, I have a little bit on.
Here's Nunu. Oh, censor out. Hi, we're ready. Ready. What a coincidence, we're all wearing blue.
I know.
Let's see the bride. Oh, bride's taking pictures. Hey!
Yeah, baling, baling. Ling, ling, on her bling, bling.
Tiffany.
Go get Uncle Philip too.
Hi, Daddy. Hi, Uncle Philip.
Hi.
That's
I like your dress.
sparkly. Thank you.
You like my suit?
Yeah, that's sparkly.
I'll trade you for a cookie.
Never.
Give me 5. We have fun later?
Yeah.
Awesome.
You look pretty. Your dress is so long.
Hello, congrats to Tiffany and Philip. Woo! Look at your baby. Let me see your baby. What? There's no baby in
The
there.
baby's right there.
Woo! Yay! Woo! Hey, what are you doing here?
I gotta sign my name?
Yeah, sign your name too.
What about me?
Where?
Yes,
On
you
the
too.
butterfly.
What about me?
Oh yeah, let's make some noise for the puppy squad! Alright, ladies and gentlemen, at this time, can we please have everyone stand as we announce for the first time the new Mr. and Mrs. Band.
Oh my goodness.
Thank you everyone for coming. Make sure you have a wonderful time. Just enjoy the night as Philip and Tiffany's today.
Who are you? Why are you making speak?
I like what you said. Go ahead, you repeat it.
Tiffany wants you! Tiffany wants you! Yay!
He made me say it.
Hey, just want to represent this whole table. Congratulations to both of you, and we wish you to have the very best life and future, husband and wife to come. And oh my God, he's looking for another medal. All right, congratulations again.
Yay! Woo!
Are you guys enjoying the night? Are you guys enjoying the night? Love it, love it. American Idol over here. There you go. Juan LeBron, what's going on, man?
What's going on, Tiffany?
Say something.
Hey, man.
Tiffany.
I'm just here, man. I'm here in Spicewood, Texas, man, celebrating this big day. Big shout out to Tiffany and Philip and Shaylee on this beautiful day. I'm out.
Well done, man. Well said, my man. Lady of the hour. Yeah. Look at a beautiful dress. Look at that.
Something brand new. Go ahead.
I'm in love with
Put it together. Oh,
I'm in love with your
I'm in love with your body. Oh,
I'm in love with your body.
Hey, 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 hey. Hey, we're wedding out. What is that? It means like tired out. This wedding started at 4 and now it's 9. Are you tired? She's drinking hot, or it's warm cocoa now. More like cold. Smells good though. You know it's a Vietnamese wedding when, you know, the old G's come out to sing, hey, come on in.
Me and Liam and Nene were singing Shape of You, but we kind of forgot the middle part.
No, they did really, really good.
We forgot some of the parts.
It's okay. It was still good. But Day 3 of Austin. We just went to church and now we're at Terry's Black Barbecue. Terry's Black Barbecue for lunch. Let's go. Hi. Watch out. Again. Hey. Hi, Zing. What's up? Got food already? Okay, look, compare Shaylee's plate, Faith's plate.
I just ate.
We got our food. We got sausage, brisket, and ribs, green beans, cream corn, mac and cheese, and Mila eating bread.
This one is
Yum. Hi, Zing.
Hey.
Last day in Austin. Are you sad?
Maybe.
Yeah. Oh. Hi, Mila.
Hi.
Ew.
Mila, kiss you guys. I lick you guys.
Yeah. Everyone's here. Last meal in Austin. So good. Everyone. Ooh. Oh, horse. Everyone do a funny pose. Funny face. Who went for ugly face?
Me.
Who's the ugliest?
Me. I'm the ugliest. No, I'm the ugliest. I am. I'm the stupidest.
What? Oh gosh, I'm here for the infamous Nguyen family. Oh my god, it's Miriam. Miriam, please look at the camera. I'm saying something. Oh, there's Philip. Philip, hey. Oh, can I see your baby? Can you see your baby?
No, you cannot see the baby.
Hi, baby. Look, there's Faith. Hi, Faith. How are you? I love your shirt. Who's it from? Who's your shirt from? The mall? Can I find it at the mall too?
Yeah.
Oh, awesome. Oh, Miriam, I love your sandals. Where'd you get it?
Walmart.
Walmart. Ooh, girl, work it. Work it.
Oh, look at these little flowers. My name
Oh
is
my
Miss.
god, it's like a little forest up in there.
Hello, camera. My name is Miss Coconut.
I'm like Miss Weird a lot.
Dada.
We're walking to this cute little coffee shop. Smells good, doesn't it? We're at 7th Flag Cafe. Ooh, how cute! Ellie! Ellie, hi! Hi! She likes it.
She wants 2 of them.
Oh,
Share, baby.
Ellie, take your hair off.
She just like to share. Baby, nobody's
gave
gonna
it
take
to
it from
me.
you. Baby,
She
it's
shared-
okay.
She shared with me.
Shaylee, look what you did.
She shared with me.
No, you took it from her.
No, she gave it to me.
It's okay.
Your coffee, madam.
Thank you, madam.
Your green coffee. Is it
You
coffee?
know what it tastes? I don't know.
First taste. No. It's bitter. Strawberry shortcake. Here's the you want
Looks
some?
yummy. It's warm.
no,
It's
yeah,
gonna be
first
so
bite.
good.
I want to see baby.
First
This is exactly
bite.
the stuff that I want.
Oh.
Something you need. Yum.
Wait,
A lot more.
What do you want?
Everyone's digging in.
Strawberry here.
Thank you.
On the way home, gotta go get gas. Daddy's getting gas. Faith is being annoying.
Hello.
And here's Serena. And she made a very, very bad decision.
Let's see her poopy.
She couldn't hold it, so
Let's see
she
her
just
poopy.
took a doo-doo everywhere. Bye-bye, Austin. Until next time. Ah!
You and I against the world. That's what you told me that night in the terminal as we were boarding.